What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your Motorhead YouTube channel. So a lot of you have been asking about my new job and what's been going on, and I actually did move to another shop. No, it's not Goon Squads. No, it's not V-Tune. A lot of people are saying that. It's actually my girlfriend's dad's shop. It's called North Star Collision. It's over here in Cleveland, Tennessee, and I've been working here for about, I don't know, a month and a week, I think. I'm not really sure, but I've just been pretty much doing regular insurance rebuilds. But today we actually got a really interesting car. As you guys remember, if you don't, I'll link it down below. The Mazda Miata I did with the wide body fenders for my friend. He actually got into a little accident with his Civic Type R. It's a super nice car, and someone backed into him and damaged it. So we're gonna go check it out and see what we gotta do to it. All right, so here it is, guys, and as you can see, it did get hit right here. Someone backed into him, and what I want to do right now is I'm going to take it all apart, and we're going to see if there's any damage underneath here. As you can see, it is pretty crunched, and we want to see if this bumper is savable, and hopefully it didn't break any of the tabs, and we can save it and just burn it in, and the paint will match better. So I'm gonna strip all this down, and we're gonna see how bad it is. All right, guys, so I got the bumper pulled off, and there is actually some damage underneath it right here and right there. As you can see, all of this is snapped off. I guess previously the lip was ripped off and he just replaced it. So he actually decided he wanted to replace the bumper, get a brand new one from the dealer, because there is damage here, and also there is a hump here, and it is a brand new car. It's 2021, so he really doesn't want that on there. And then Larry also took the headlight off. He found more damage right here. It busted the light open, and also this fender is destroyed. So the fender's gonna get replaced, and the bumper brand new from the dealer. So we're gonna order these parts. What are you doing, Don?
Drawing my hands.
You gonna be in my video?
No, you ain't. You better take me out of your video.
Nah, this is Don. He's
You
our
won't get
painter.
no views, man.
This is our painter. He's a boss. Larry's the boss, but he's a boss painter.
Yeah, I'm ball.
But yeah, we're gonna get some parts for this thing, and Don's gonna slick it in. I'm gonna build it, and we're gonna go from there. All right, guys, so I'm finally back at work, and luckily for me, my boss actually recorded some of the process of getting the Type R painted, and now it is painted. It looks amazing. Dodd did an amazing job on the paint job. There are a couple pieces of trashes he has to buff out. Ain't that right, Don?
Yeah, that's right.
He's supposed to be there with the pick to get the trash out, but he did a good job. It's really nice. Little to no orange peel. It's like just like factory. I mean, it's a phenomenal paint job. So I'm gonna go ahead and start reassembling it, and we actually have all the parts, so let's get to it. All right, so we got a new headlight and a new fender liner. This is all OEM, so I think I'll start with the headlight and then change this fender liner. And then also we have a new bumper, so I'm gonna have to transfer everything over. As you guys remember, this bumper had damage underneath there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this put together, and once all this is ready to install the bumper, I'll build the bumper and get the bumper under here. Okay guys, so I got the bumper on and installed. Everything looks great. It all fit up really good. It is all OEM parts. As you can see, this wire was replaced. It was all tore up and broken right here. And this was all under the lip and you couldn't even see it. But also that piece had to get painted, so that'll get on tomorrow. Now all that's left is to just get this door together and give it a wash, and it should be done. This door is pretty simple. They blended it. You got to take all this off so the clear will wrap around all these edges. So we got to put the door handle on, this molding, and the mirror, and that's going to be it.
Yeah, it is. It sucks. Paint cars, buffing cars sucks.
Huh?
Buffing cars suck. Painting cars is fun.
Buffering stuff?
Buffing sucks.
Hey.
So all these people want to be a painter out there in this world. Yeah.
There you go. Well, you heard it here first.
Yeah, you heard it here first. I want to think about your career first. Your career choices.
You'll survive.
I put my smiley face on there.
Why didn't you put a frowny face to show your mood buffing this?
Yeah, well, whatever.
All right, guys, so the Type R is finally done. It looks absolutely phenomenal. Don did a great job on it. There was a lot of trash, I don't know why, but he got it buffed out and it turned out amazing. Everything looks nice and smooth. And I know Jake is gonna be very happy with the car. I went ahead and washed it because this thing was just super filthy, and he's a good friend. You know, I couldn't do him like that, let him leave like that. And this color just looks so good. I am really in love with it. I really honestly wish I would have chose this for the E30 or something similar to this. Laguna Seca Blue is similar, but this color in the sun just looks really good. And I just love how everything turned out. If you guys remember, it was just hitting that fender right there, and we replaced the bumper because it had a bunch of hidden damage, and it just turned out perfect. I'm really happy with it. I know he's going to be happy with it. The bumper matched up nicely to the fender, and everything just went super smoothly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I do still need to detail the interior because it is a little dirty from getting in and out of it, but this interior is super sick, guys. Check out the steering wheel. I really love this interior and the shifter. I just love how they did everything. Honda really did it right with this car. The only thing, honestly, I would rather they have done is all-wheel drive. I really don't like the front-wheel drive. I feel like this car, the way it looks and the way it's built, deserves all-wheel drive, but no big deal. It is still an absolutely beautiful car. And check out that digital cluster. Reminds me of the S2000. I mean, this thing is just awesome. And these seats. I actually tried to buy some seats like these from Condor Bills to put in the S2000, but they were way... Oh, I guess I forgot to put that on. So, yeah, I need to put that on. But they were way too wide for the S2000, which is really unfortunate because these are some beautiful seats. But yeah, other than that piece, this thing is done and ready to go back to Jake. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this rebuild. I'm really happy with the results. Turned out amazing. I know Jake's gonna be absolutely stoked to get his car back. If you want, you can smash that subscribe button, and we really appreciate your view. And also, you can follow me on Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.